Hello, I'm Artem, a citizen of Ukraine. However, because of the Russian invasion, I am now aboard of my homeland. But it doesn't mean that I finished scientific activity. Therefore, in this video, we will talk about very interesting and promotion bacterial battery technology that in the future should become the environment-friendly analog of the usual batteries. Pleasant viewing! We live in a world unthinkable without batteries. They are firmly entrenched in our lives. However, due to use of heavy metals and acid in the manufacture of household batteries, there is a big problem associated with environmental pollution by these batteries. Therefore, the research of new types of battery becomes increasingly necessary. In the course of the work were considered bacteria of the genus Geobacter. These bacteria combine the feature of oxygen-free bacteria, which give a wide range of electron receptor, and electricity conductive wire, which can be adjusted, which should be the final substance of the electron. The main reason for formation of EMF is the accumulation of bacteria near the anode. When microorganisms accumulate near some area of space, they begin to form electricity conductive wire to find an electron receptor around them. Then they begin to synthesize ATP and create a potential difference of the anode surface. In general, a developed power supply of battery is a cluster of small cells that are connected in parallel or series, depending on needs. The cells is the place where bacteria anode and cathode will be stored. The rough material of the developed prototype of the battery was soil from 3 places. From the obtained results, it can be concluded that initially each rough materials contained Geobacter bacteria, but their concentration was different, which are reflected on initial value of original EMF. Therefore, a study of the original EMF of prototypes of different composition was performed. From the results, we can conclude that there is a need to reduce the size of the battery, find the best electrodes, as well as the development of combined battery, which will be formed as a connection of individual batteries in order to achieve the maximum possible output EMF. In addition, it was necessary to investigate how the EMF of the developed prototypes increase over time. Special models of the device were created to conduct an experiment study of operation time. 9 small batteries and 2 large batteries were formed. The results of the EMF study of developed power supplies from the time of operation are shown in the table. Given the results, it should be noted that during the first 3 days on average, the EMF of developed devices increased and in many cases increased by 30–40 mV. It's almost 4% of baseline, in some cases even 8%. The sharp decline on the 5th day is due to decision imperfections. Also, based on these prototypes, it was decided to investigate the ambient temperature at which the device will work properly. Models from a previous study were used for this study. 2 small and 2 large batteries in groups were placed in freeze of the refrigerator, in which the temperature was -15 degrees of Celsius, and near the electricity battery, the temperature near which was a +35 degrees of Celsius. In the freezer, the batteries have much longer shelf life, while near the battery, the device models don't work completely for 3 days. It is due to decision imperfections. The following version of the battery has been created based on past research. It has been formed as a connection of the 20 ml plastic cells that connected in 4 rows for 7 series. The developed device can be successfully used as a charger for a smartphone, as shown on the photo. The developed combined battery study concerning the correlation between output EMF value and battery's operation time is shown below. Our work has already taken part in many competitions, and even because of the invasion, we don't plan to stop. We are already doing a new research to further improve this idea and show the world something amazing. Thank you for watching.